Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm thrilled to show you how I managed to get unlimited keys, coins, and boosts in Subway Surfers using a fantastic method I recently discovered. This trick is a game changer, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get right into it. First, I'll open up the game to show you that this method really works. As you can see, I have a massive amount of resources. It's practically unlimited. Just take a look at how I can buy literally everything in the game without worrying about running out of keys or coins. This method has another incredible feature that I can't wait to show you. Can you see how I have an unlimited number of jumps? I can literally keep jumping to the sky. It's absolutely insane and makes the game even more fun. The best part about this method is that it works on both Android and iOS devices, just like my iPhone. You don't need to perform any complicated steps like jailbreaking or rooting your device. It's straightforward and easy to follow. Alright guys, let's get started with the tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enjoy all these fantastic features on your device. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Subway Surfers and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.